Now you can create some shifts on the fly, and like somebody asked about the flex shifts. So if I'm working on my schedule and I want to post some flex shifts, and flex shifts are being used a lot by, I think, surgical services at BJ and at Missouri Baptist. They have found them to be very, very beneficial, where, you may be short and you've not, been able to get people to fill in, but you've got people that'll come in and do like lunch coverage or do some admission discharge activity. So they're not going to take assignment, but they can come in, while the kids are at swim practice or something for a couple of hours. So they're creating flex shifts. And so we actually have a job for flex shift. I want to add some flex shifts here. I want them to be my lunch coverage. I want them to come in at 11 and I want them to stay until 2. So for 3 hours to come in and do lunch coverage. How wonderful that is for the staff to be able to have them come in and say, you're going to, come in. So in some of the areas we have, one of my surgical services, we have a job called RN Flex. It's meaning you're flexible. You're going to do whatever I need you to do when you come in for these 3 hours, whether it's lunch coverage, admission discharge activity, whether it's doing some QA work, whatever it is, you're my flex person. And I can then add an open shift for my flex person. So we can, if people are interested, we can add these jobs, RN Flex. And then that is what it's designed for. It's designed just to come in and help out for a few hours. And this has been very successful in those areas that have been using it because they're taking advantage of those staff members who can't work a full shift, but could come in and help out. And then I can copy paste those flex shifts too. Okay, so I have the ability to add those flex shifts as I would need to do them.